Hello students, let us continue the solid state. This is lecture number 4. The subtopics are packing efficiency, that is from 1.7.1 to 1.7.4 from your textbook. So let us see what is packing efficiency. It describes how efficiently the constituent particles are packed in a crystal. Packing efficiency. Okay, so it tells us की ते particles किती प्रकारे त्या एफिशियंटली त्या सेलमध्ये बसवलेले आहेत, त्या क्रिस्टल लॅटिसमध्ये बसवलेले आहेत. तो शब्दच आपल्याला सांगतोय. पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी डिस्क्राइब्स हाऊ एफिशियंटली द कॉन्स्टिट्युएंट पार्टिकल्स आर पॅक्ड इन अ क्रिस्टल लॅटिस. Now packing efficiency can be calculated as volume occupied by a particle in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. This is percentage packing efficiency. So let us first see packing efficiency of metal crystal in simple cubic lattice. Now here in this structure, atoms touch each other along the edge of the cell. Okay, see, these are the 4 atoms present in the simple cubic cell. These atoms, this is the edge of the cell A, and the atoms are touching at the edge of the cell. So if R is the radius of each atom and A is the edge length, this figure tells us 2R is equal to A. लक्षात आलंय सगळ्यांच्या? ही सिंपल क्यूबिक सेलची पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी आपण बघतो आहोत. सिंपल क्यूबिक सेलमध्ये काय असतं? ॲटम्स कसे टच झालेले असतात? अलॉंग द एज. ओके, एज लेंथ काय आहे? ए आहे. प्रत्येका ॲटमची रेडियस काय आहे? आर आहे. 2 ॲटम एकमेकांना टच झालेले आहेत. सो ए इज इक्वल टू 2R, or you can say R is equal to A upon 2, where R is the radius and A is the length. Next, now how you calculate the volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere चा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहिती आहे, 4/3 pi r cube. ओके, आता इथे R ची किंमत आपण टाकलेली आहे A/2. सो volume of one particle or one sphere is equal to pi a cube upon 6. Next, now how many particles are there in the simple cubic cell? We have calculated it. It is made up of only one particle. So total volume of particles is pi a cube upon 6, as simple cubic cell has only one particle. आपण नंबर ऑफ पार्टिकल्स कॅल्क्युलेट केले तिन्ही सेलमधले. सिंपल क्यूबिक सेलमध्ये एकच पार्टिकल आहे, म्हणून व्हॉल्यूम किती झाली त्याची? टोटल व्हॉल्यूम विल बी सेम, पाय ए क्यूब अपॉन 6. नेक्स्ट, पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी is equal to this formula just now we have seen, volume occupied by particle in unit cell. आता हे किती झालं? व्हॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाइड बाय पार्टिकल पाय ए क्यूब अपॉन 6. टोटल व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ द युनिट सेल किती झालेलं आहे? टोटल व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ द युनिट सेल इज ए क्यूब. ए क्यूब असतो की नाही? इंटू 100. सो आफ्टर दिस 100 into pi divided by 6. Pi ची व्हॅल्यू घातली, 100 into 3.142 divided by 6, and this is coming out 52.36. So the packing efficiency of the simple unit cell is 52.36%. किती आहे पॅकिंग एफिशियन्सी? 52.36%. आणि बाकी काय आहे? 100 minus this 52.36 is 47.64% is the empty space, that is volume of the void. म्हणजे ही एफिशियन्सी चांगली आहे का? एफिशियंटली पॅक केलेले आहेत का पार्टिकल्स? नाहीत. ओके, so this is how you have to calculate the packing efficiency in the simple cubic cell. This derivation can be asked for 3 marks. It's a very simple derivation. So packing efficiency in BCC lattice. Now in the BCC structure, the constituent atoms touch each other through body diagonal. सगळ्यांनी फिगर कडे लक्ष द्यायचं आहे. The constituent particles touch each other through body diagonal because in the body center cubic structure at an atom or the constituent particle is present at the center of the cell, and therefore here the atoms touch each other through body diagonal. Now consider, to obtain the radius of the particle or the sphere, first we'll consider triangle FED. See, FED. Now in this triangle, angle FED is 90 degree. Angle FED is 90 degrees. All of us, we have studied that as in the cube, A is equal to B is equal to C, and all the 3 angles alpha, beta and gamma are 90 degrees. Okay, so when we consider this triangle FED, angle this angle FED is 90 degrees. Now applying the Pythagoras theorem, तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. FD square is equal to FE square plus ED square. But what is FE? FE is A. What is ED? ED पण A आहे. So A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. FD square, length FD square is equal to 2A square, where A is the edge length of the cell. Now consider another triangle AFD. AFD. In this triangle, angle ADF, this angle ADF is 90 degrees. Therefore, AF square is equal to AD square plus FD square. So AF square is equal to AD square is what? AD is A. And what is FD square? Here in equation A we have seen FD square is equal to 2A square. So AF square is equal to A square plus 2A square is equal to 3A square. Or we can write down AF is equal to square root of 3A. AF, see the figure, AF is equal to square root of 3A. Now look at this AF. This is body diagonal. How much is it? Now this is the radius of one atom. This is radius of the middle atom. This is radius of middle atom, and this is the radius of this. So this is R, एक R, दूसरा R, तीसरा R आणि चौथा R. So length AF is nothing but 4R. येत आहे लक्षात सगळ्यांच्या? Substituting this in equation C, square root of 3A is equal to 4R. Hence R is equal to square root of 3 upon 4A. Now let us calculate the volume of the sphere. कसं काढतायत स्पिअरचा व्हॉल्यूम? इट इज इक्वल टू 4/3 पाय आर क्यूब. आता आरच्या जागी आपण ए लिहिणार आहोत. व्हॉट इज आर? आर इज स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ 3/4a. Now volume of one particle is equal to 4/3 pi. आता इथे r ची व्हॅल्यू घातलेली आहे. सो इट इज कमिंग आउट 4/3 pi square root of 3 raised to 3 upon 4 into a cube, and this is coming out √3 pi a square upon 16. Next, the total volume of particles is equal to 2 into 2 square root of 3a cube upon 16. हे सगळ्यांनी जरा सोडवून बघा. So square root of 3 pi a cube upon 8. So packing efficiency is volume occupied by the particle in the unit cell divided by total volume. आता इथे हे तुम्हाला लक्षात आलं असेल की आपण हे 2 का बरं घेतलं? Number of particles in the body centered unit cell is 2. So the volume occupied is square root of 3 pi a cube upon 8 a cube into 100. हा a cube गेला, पायची व्हॅल्यू घातली, उत्तर येतंय 68%. So packing efficiency of body centered cubic structure is 68% and void volume is 32%. मग काय सांगतायत हे आकडे आपल्याला की सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल पेक्षा बॉडी सेंटर्ड क्यूबिक सेलची एफिशियन्सी जास्त आहे. पार्टिकल्स आर एफिशियंटली अरेंज्ड. Now this derivation can be asked for again 3 marks. Now next is packing efficiency of face centered lattice. Now in this face centered lattice प्रत्येका फेसला एक पार्टिकल आहे सेंटर मध्ये. So here the constituent atoms touch each other along the face diagonal. लक्षात घ्या, the constituent atoms touch each other across the face diagonal AC. Now let us consider a triangle A, B and C. In triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90 degrees. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB? AB is A. What is BC? BC is also A. So AC square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. And as AB is equal to BC is equal to A, so AC is coming out square root of 2A. आता AC बघा, AC किती आहे? पुन्हा 4R आहे. 1R, हे total 2R, and this is again radius of the third atom. So 4R, AC is equal to 4R. So substituting for AC, AC is equal to square root of 2A, that is equal to 4R, or you can write down R is equal to √2 upon 4A, or A upon 2 √2. Now how to calculate the volume? Volume of one particle. Volume of the sphere 4/3 pi r cube. r च्या ऐवजी a ची किंमत घातलेली आहे आपण, and the value coming out is pi a3 upon 12 into √2. Now, how many particles are there in the face-centered cubic structure? N is equal to 4. So, total volume of the particles is 4 into volume of one particle. Okay, and this is coming out to be packing efficiency is equal to pi upon a pi into a cube upon 3 root 2 a square a cube, that is the volume, into 100 percentage packing efficiency. So pi upon 3 root 2 into 100, putting the values of pi and root 2, the answer is coming out. The packing efficiency of face centered cubic structure is 74. So hence the void volume is 26%, and therefore we can see that in SC the packing efficiency is 52.4%. It is least efficiently packed. In BCC it is 68%. It is moderately packed, and FCC has highest packing efficiency of 74%, and it is the most efficiently packed cubic structure. Okay, so next we'll solve one numerical based on this. The density of iridium is 22.4 gram per cubic centimeter. The unit cell of iridium is FCC. Calculate the radius of iridium atom. Molar mass of iridium is 192.2 gram per mole. This numerical is question number 4 in on page number 27 in the textbook. Now what is given? Density is given. The rho is equal to 22.4 gram per cubic centimeter. Structure of iridium atom is given. This is equal to FCC structure. Molar mass of iridium is also given. It is 192.2 gram per mole. And what is asked is radius r of the iridium atom. Now you must know how to calculate the number of atoms in FCC. FCC face centered cubic structure डोळ्यासमोर आणायचं आहे सगळ्यांनी. किती particles? 8 particles at 8 corners. So contribution is 1 upon 8 into 8, that is 1. 6 particles, 6 faces ला contribution किती? Half. So half into 6, that is equal to 3. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. इथे तुम्हाला 1 मार्क मिळणार. हा 4 मार्काचा न्यूमरिकल आहे, 4 मार्काचा. Hence total number of iridium atom N is equal to 4. Now mass of iridium atom is molar mass of iridium divided by Avogadro's number. So molar mass is given 192.2 divided by the Avogadro's number. The figure coming out is 31.93 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. Now mass of one unit cell is this much. किती atoms आहेत? Mass of one atom is this much. So 4 atoms आहेत म्हणून 4 into mass of single iridium atom, and the final answer coming is 127.7 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. Is it clear? So try to solve all the problems given in the textbook. Now next part. Density of unit cell is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell. आता आपण mass of unit cell काढलं, ती व्हॅल्यू लिहिली इथे. A क्यूब. आता आपल्याला डेन्सिटी माहिती आहे, काय काढायचं आहे? आपल्याला व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ युनिट सेल. आपल्याला विचारलं काय आहे? R विचारलेला आहे, बरोबर? मग A क्यूब इज इक्वल टू काय आलंय कॅल्क्युलेशन प्रमाणे 57 into 10 raised to minus 24. Hence A is equal to, आता क्यूब आहे त्याचं क्यूब रूट काढलं. A क्यूब is this much. A क्यूब is equal to 57 into 10 raised to minus 24. So A is equal to 3.848 into 10 raised to minus 8. आपण आत्ताच शिकलो what is the relation between R and A in FCC. R is equal to A upon 2 root 2, that is equal to 3.848 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 2 into 1.414. 2 आणि रूट 2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे ही. सो द फायनल आन्सर इज 1.36 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters, or that is equal to 136 picometer. Don't forget to write down unit for the answer, otherwise you will lose half mark. So packing efficiency, number of particles and unit cells in x grams of metallic crystal. Number of particles n per unit cell, volume a cube माहिती आहे सगळ्यांना आता आहे, डेन्सिटी रो, मोलर मास m. So rho is equal to mass upon volume, number of particles in unit cell upon volume of the unit cell into m upon na. So rho is equal to, mass m is equal to a cube na upon m. Now number of particles x grams of metal, molar mass m contains Avogadro's number of particles, therefore x gram of metal contains x into na upon m particles. So number of particles in x gram is n, हा इथला n वर घेतला आणि उत्तर आलं xn upon rho a cube. Therefore number of unit cell in x gram is x upon pa cube. Number of unit cell in volume v of metal is v upon a cube. So one more numerical will solve. In an ionic crystalline solid, atoms of element Y form HCP lattice. Atoms of element X occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound? This is numerical 6 on page number 27 of your textbook. Now let us see how to calculate it. This problem may be asked for 2 marks. It is a very simple problem. Element Y has HCP structure. सांगितलेलं आहे आपल्याला प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये गिवन आहे. Y has HCP structure. HCP म्हणजे काय? Hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal 12 particles, 12 atoms are present at 12 corners and 2 at the face center. Okay. Therefore number of Y atoms is equal to contribution किती 1/6. किती particles? वर 6 खाली 6, 12 particles hexagon म्हणजे. So into फेसला एक पार्टिकल समोरासमोरच्या, contribution is half. So the total number of atoms, Y atoms in HCP structure is coming out 3. So number of Y atoms are 3 as there are 6 tetrahedral voids. आता हे कसं काढलं आपण? आपल्याला माहिती आहे नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड इज डबल द नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स. 3 ॲटम्स आहेत म्हणून 6 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड होणार. नाउ x occupies 1/3 of tetrahedral void. So number of x atom is 1/3 into 6, that is equal to 2, and therefore formula of the compound is X2Y3. So thank you very much.